The Black Cat, a mind divided.
Oh no! What have I done? My wife, she's gone. I buried her in the wall, and no one will know. No one will ever find her body.
Ha! You say that, but your hands are still shaking. You felt the rage, the power. You struck her down without a thought.
No, no, it was an accident. I only wanted to kill the cat, that black creature. It made me do this.
Oh, don't lie yourself. She tried to stop you. She got in the way, and it didn't stop. The axe fell. You buried her like a coward.
No, that can't be. I killed the cat. It's gone.
Then, why do you hurt it? Why do you feel its eyes on you? The cat knows what you did.
No, I sealed the wall. I made sure.
Did you? Or did you trap the cat with her?
It's not real. It's not real.
Oh, but it is. And soon, everyone will know. They're coming.
No, I didn't mean to.
But you did. And now, they will find her.